In the following problem, we are provided with the value of logarithm of 2, which is 0.301, and value of log of 3, which is 0.4771. Using these two values, we need to obtain the value of the given logarithm. So let's begin with number 1. In number 1, we have log of 12. The log of 12 can be also written as log of 12. The factors of 12 are 3 times 4, and 4 is 2 squared. Now what we can do, we can apply a property of logarithm here. Let's say if we have log of a times b, that this is the same as log of a plus log of b. Now we can use it to rewrite our logarithm as log of 3 plus log of 2 squared, right? Which will be equals to log of 3 plus 2 times log of 2. So here we have used another property of logarithm. That means if we say log of b raised to the power of a, this is equivalent to a times log of b. Now we can replace the value of log 3 with the respective values. So we have 0.4771 plus 2 times 0.3010. That gives us 0.4771 plus 0.6020, which will be equals to 197.1.0. So our value of log of 12, that will be 1.0791. So let's write it down here, 1.0791. Now let's move on to the second problem to find out the value of log of 5. Log of 5, this can be also expressed as log of 10 divided by 2. Now what we can do, we can use the property that if we have log of a divided by b, that will be equals to log of a minus log of b. So we can rewrite log of 10 over 2 as log of 10 minus log of 2. Now what's the value of log of 10? For that, we need to know the base. Now when the base of the logarithm is not mentioned, then by default it's 10. So that means we need to find the value of log of 10 with a base of 10. We know that log of a with a base of a, that is always equals to 1, and in our case a value is equals to 10. So that means log of 10 with a base of 10, that's going to be equals to 1 minus log 2, that's already provided, 0.3010. Now when we subtract it, we get 0.69. Right. So this is the value of log of 5. So let's write it down here, 0.699. Right. So 2 is done. Now let's move on to number 3. So we need to find out the value of log of 2 raised to the power of 1/3. So this will be equals to, if we use this property, 1/3 times log of 2, which will be equals to 1/3 times. Now what's the value of log 2? So that's 0.3010, and this should give us approximately 0.10033. So this is the value of log of cube root of 2. Let's write it down here, 0.10033. The 3 is done. Now let's move on to number 4. And we need to find out the value of log of 108. So what we'll do, we'll factorize 108. So 108, so that's equals to, so this is divisible by 3. So we have 3 times 36, and 36 is 4 times 9. Fine. So we have 3 times, so 4 can be written as 2 squared, and 3 will be 3 squared. So this gives us 2 squared times 3 cubed. So these are the factors of 108 that we have. Now we will use the property log of ab equals to log of a plus b. So that will give us log of 2 squared plus log of 3 cubed. We can use the property log of b raised to the power of a equals a log of b to rewrite it as 2 times log of 2 plus 3 times log of 3. Now we can substitute the value of log of 2 with 0.3010 plus 3 times 0.4771, and this should give us 2.0333. So this is the value of log of 8, 2.0333. So our 4 is done. Now let's move on to part 5. We need to find out the value of log 48. We know that log 48 is log of 16 times 3. So that's 48. And 16 is simply 2 raised to the power of 4 times 3. Now we'll use this property to get log of 2 raised to the power of 4 times log of 3. That will be equals to 4 times log of 2 plus log of 3. So here we have used this particular property. Now let's substitute the value. We have log of 2, that's 0.3010 plus log of 3, 0.4771. So this should give us 1.6811. That is the value of log of 48, 1.6811. So this is done. Now let's move on to the final problem. We have to find out the value of log of 3 over 8. So here we'll use the property log of a over b equals to log of a minus log of b. So that means we have log of 3 minus log of 8. Log of 3 minus log of 8, but 8 is also 2 cubed. Now we can use this property to rewrite our expression as log of 3 minus 3 log of 2. Now we substitute the value. We have 0.4771 in place of log 3 minus 3 times log of 2, which is 0.3010. On solving this value, we get negative 0.4259. So this is the value of log of 3 over 8, 0.4259. So our sixth problem is also